Wednesday, April 24, 2024. Saint Fidelis of Sigmaringen. Focus. I did not come to judge the world, but to save the world. There is this interesting image of two persons standing facing each other and reading a number written on the ground between them. To one, it appears as 6, while the other insists it is 9. Both see the same number but arrive at different conclusions. Only the person who wrote the number can decide who is right. Jesus, in today's Gospel, says that it is only the Father who has the right to judge, thus firmly declaring that no human being should ever do so. He who created us knows our minds and hearts and the reason why we do certain things. Being judgmental is a serious sin because we are taking on a role which even Jesus was not given. Lies are often more believable than the truth. There are many instances when someone comes out with a juicy, one-sided story that maligns and condemns other persons. Does it not happen that most people do not bother to hear the other side, but set out eagerly to spread the torrid tale? None of us would like to be on the receiving end of such unjust condemnation. Judge not, that you be not judged, said Jesus. It is a simple matter of doing to others only what we would like them to do to us. Fruit. When Jesus himself was not sent by the Father to judge, how dare we appropriate that role?